The Grande pram consists of these parts: wheels, basket cover, foot cover, roof, seat, rain foil, rail for the child. To fold the frame out, release the lock from the side. Move the lock on the handle and press the button. Fold the frame out with one sure move. Let's assemble the wheels, large at the rear, small at the front. All you need to do is press them in. Now fit the basket cover. Clasp it onto the rear tubing. Slide sideways onto the hook, the same goes for the front, and attach the straps. Now for the roof. Slide it into the holes in the frame. The only thing left to do is install the handle. Slide it in and attach the additional strap. Your Grande stroller is assembled and ready for special functions. What functions? The span of the roof is adjustable. At the bottom, you will find extra sun protection. And by unzipping, you increase its surface. On cold days, the foot cover will come in handy. It is mounted on Velcro, 2 on each side. And you just stretch the rain foil. To lock the front wheels, move these plastic parts so that the protruding fragment is facing forward. The central brake is locked and unlocked like this. The footrest is lowered by pressing the buttons on the sides. To lay the seat flat, press down on the buckle and lower. Removing the cover. Remove the cover from the hooks on the handles. Undo the back and bottom Velcro and buckles. Slide the cover off the raised footrest. Lay the material flat, pull the safety belts out and then the stiffening inserts from the inside. All done. The pram can be folded with one hand. Move the lock, press the button and fold flat.